Hi there, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today I'll show you how to make this rolled rose crochet edging, which is cute for a blanket, scarf, and other items. To do this, you'll want your stitches to be a multiple of 7, plus one more. In my sample, I have 22 stitches across the edge. Next, I place a slip knot on my hook with the yarn color of the roses, and I'm making a single crochet directly into the very first stitch of my edging. Then we'll start by making a chain 7. Next, we skip 2 chains, and in that third chain, we'll make 4 half double crochet stitches all in that same chain. It's okay if the chain gets stretched a little bit since you won't see it anyway. Every rose is going to be made the same way, so once you learn this one, the rest get easier. And then in the next chain, and in all of the remaining chains that we just made, we'll make 4 half double crochet stitches in each of those chains as well. When you are done, your work should be bunched up and messy. This is completely normal and is part of the pattern. Take your crochet hook out of the loop, then turn the end of the strip towards the hand you crochet with. And in my case, I'm turning the work so it is about at the 3 o'clock position. Then I'm taking the other end of the strip and I'm rolling it into a rose shape. You might have to adjust it a little bit here and there until you get the exact shape you want it to look like. With the next part, essentially, we want to pierce all of the layers of the rose flower so that it stays together and doesn't unravel. We're going to do our best to capture all of the layers, then make a slip stitch to hold everything in place. And while you might want to adjust the flower at this point, it's actually best to just make your next set of stitches, which consist of 1 single crochet in each of the next 6 stitches. So you'll have 6 single crochet stitches made, and then you can go back and adjust the flower a little bit more. Now, as we move on to our next rows, it's pretty much everything we just did with the first flower. We'll begin by making a chain 7, and then as before, skip 2 chains and make 4 half double crochet stitches in the next chain and all other chains. You'll then remove your crochet hook, twist the loop part towards the hand that you crochet with, and then twist the other part into a flower shape. And I try to match the second flower's shape with the first flower shape, but that's up to you how you want to approach it. Probably the most challenging part of this pattern is just putting the crochet hook through all of the layers of the flower to hold it in place. And then make a slip stitch to hold it together, followed immediately by 6 single crochet stitches. Continue with this pattern across the edging of your blanket, scarf, shawl, and more. And that's pretty much all there is to this rolled rose crochet edging pattern.